Hello there, welcome back. Do you want to know how you can add some cool glitching effects in After Effects where there will be some blocks which are generated to produce these glitching effects? I'll tell you how. So let's say if we have this Illustrator file of this logo of Tongtips, drag it into the composition. Once you've created one, right click on it, create, and then create shapes. You can delete this. Go under it, transform, and then you enlarge the logo by dragging this one, and then you can make it white. Click on this and then make it white just like this, and then afterwards create a white solid. Right click on the left side of the timeline, new solid, and then make it white, and then type fractal under effects and presets. Drag fractal noise into the white solid, and then change the fractal type into dynamic, and then the noise type to block, so that there are some blocks that will produce this glitching effects. Increase the contrast so that there are areas which are purely white and purely black, and then you can decrease the brightness just like this. Once you're done doing so, go under transform, uncheck the box for uniform scaling, make it wide and short in width, in terms of width, and then go under white solid effects, fractal noise, and then go to evolution. Turn on the stopwatch for evolution, right click on it, and then click on edit expression. Afterwards you type time asterisk 2000. Once you're done, you can see that ooh yeah, looking fancy. The blocks are now producing this glitching effects, which will be put into our logo layer as part of displacement, so that the areas of the logo will be displaced according to the movement of the blocks that produce this glitching effects. So right click on the white solid, click on pre-compose, and then name it glitch, and then make sure that the circle for move all attributes is checked. Click on OK. Afterwards, go under, make it disappear, and then afterwards click on the logo layer, and then type displacement, and then drag displacement map into the logo layer, and then change the layer for displacement map into glitch. Oh, fancy. You can do some tricks with the horizontal displacement and the vertical displacement, and then you can further animate this so that you have the, glitching effects that you want, and then it may turn into this. Oh yeah, the blocks are looking mesmerizing and satisfying to the eyes. You can put it as part of your motion graphic works. That's how you can add glitching effects in After Effects. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao!